Good morning, everyone. Happy Labor Day 2018. I usually do my lives on Monday evenings, but I'm going to be at a picnic today, so I thought I would pop on now. We are going to be making a little grapevine snowman wreath. I've made the cats like this, little cats, um, you know, and then the snowman. So I thought I would pop on and show you how to do that. So I'm going to get everything going here. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are well. Hello, hello, hello. Get my chat going up here. There we go. Okay. Good morning. Hey, Stephen. How are you doing today? There we go. Okay, now I can see your chats. All right. Okay. How's everyone doing? Hey, Barbara. Hey, Maria. Hey, Dora. So, first thing I'm going to do is I got these little hats at a local wholesale place not too far from here. They came like this, but what I did was I just cut one in half, and then I'm just going to put a little, hey Kim, put a little piece of ribbon here and glue it on, and get that ready for the, whoops, get that ready for the hat. Hello Josie, hey Michelle, hey Barbara. Oh, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. I'm just going to take it and glue it on there like that. Okay. So I'm just going to take a little hot glue and start gluing. All right. I'm just going to take that, put it right there. And then take a little dab here. And what I do is I have these plastic little clips, and I put that on there to hold it. So while it sets, it holds it nice and tight. And then just wrap that around and hold that while it sets. Okay? Now it doesn't seem too tight. Okay. So that's all I do. So I wanted to do that first to kind of get it set. So I'm just going to put that to the side. Okay? So he dries. Okay, I'll put it right there. Okay, so what I did, get this out of the way. Ah, there you go. Oh no, Steven. Well, hopefully. See what the doctor says. Okay, so I bought these two, I think they're willow, oh, let me zoom back out. They're willow wreaths at the dollar store. And I spray painted them white, and then I hit them with a little bit of glitter paint. I don't know if you guys can see that at all, but just a little bit. Okay. And then I went ahead and ran 2 pipe cleaners through. And I'm going to do some more to keep kind of hold it steady. Now you're not going to see these pipe cleaners. This is a drafting table, and I have tilted a little bit. So I just have this here so my board, my thing doesn't slide off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of weave it through like that. And then these are pretty tight, so they are kind of hard to get in there. But you just kind of try to get it in there. You can lift them up a little bit and push them through like that. See if you guys can see that. Okay, and then just tightly not too tight because you don't want it to buckle like that. And then just twist it. Hey Cindy, hey Michelle, hey Rose, and then just cut it off. Okay, so that's what I do for that. Okay, now you see it's kind of floppy to the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a pipe cleaner in the front as well. Now, like I said, you're not going to see these because they're going to be covered by a bow. I'm going to take and try to feed that through there so it kind of stabilizes it a little bit. Yeah, you could use zip tie. Yeah, I should be using zip ties. That would be easier. Yeah, you can use zip ties, whatever. So see how it kind of, now it's not as floppy. It kind of, you know, is more stable. So yeah, I know, I don't think about zip ties all the time, but absolutely you can use zip ties, okay? And then just cut that off. Good morning, Cynthia. Hey, Ann. And then just tuck that in, okay? So now your frame is ready to go. And like I said, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I just spray painted them white and then hit them with a little glitter paint. Like you can't really see that too well, but that's okay. Oh, and I have to give a shout out to my sister, Sharon, who lives in Minnesota. She sent me this the other day. If you guys can see that, be kind and grateful. I love these. You know, she's so good. Every time she sees something with a bee, she sends it to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Sharon. Love you. So I will put that back here for now. Hey, Becky. Hello, Trisha. Hey, Chris. So now your frame's ready. It's all ready to go. Put two of them together. And they sell them like this, the bigger one and the smaller one. So they're $1 a piece. Hey, Joni, how are you? Okay. So that's ready to go. So really, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Pro Bow here. Get my hat out of the way so I don't knock it. Happy Labor Day to you. I'm going to put this underneath so hopefully it doesn't slide as much. Yeah, Minnesota. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use this plaid again that matches the ribbon I put on the hat. And all I'm going to do is make the one ribbon bow. And I'm going to use a pipe cleaner so when I put it through there you don't see it. So I'm just going to take, let me zoom you guys in. I'm just going to take and scrunch it up together towards the end. Yeah, they're, I think they call them willow wreaths they have there. And they have two sizes, this, you know, the bigger and the littler one. So then all I'm going to do is take it like normal, wrap it around that center peg. And one here. And one down here. Now this is that one ribbon bow. And all I'm going to do is the center peg. I'm going to just do it once around. And then this peg I'm going to do 3 times around, and this peg I'm going to do 5 times around. So you're going to use the same ribbon, and you're just going to wrap it around. So you're going to pinch, and then twist. There's one. Pinch, twist, and there is 2. And I'm going around the same peg. Pinch and twist around the same peg. So that's 2 times. Pinch and twist, and then this is the 3rd time around. So I'm going 3 times around that peg. Hey, Jackie. Yeah, they have, they came in 2 sizes. Okay, so that's 3 times around that one. So this one we're going to do 5 times. So there's 1, 1, pinch and twist, and 2, and 2. And it does get a little bulky in the back. And this is the 3rd time around here. 3. You want to have that twist. 3. So we're doing 2 more. Twist. That's 4 around that one. I got this from probothehand.com. It is called a Probo the Hand. You can get them on Amazon as well, but it's great. I love it. I tried those Easy Bow Makers and that other one, and I just could not use them. And I got this one, and this one works for me. So I know different people use different ones. I like this one. Yep, Amazon or probothehand.com. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off of here, and again, you want to make sure you get that off the center peg and tie that off. And then I'm going to do some tails. Hey Susan, how are you? So I'm going to do 1, 2, and tie that off. 3. So I'm going to have 3 tails hanging down from this. And then I'm just going to take and cut that off. All right, and I'm going to take the center peg out. Thank you very much, Brenda. I appreciate that. And pull them off. Get that one in. Oops. And get my box. Okay, now this is my fluff box here. Now when you have them, I might just put it right on the snowman because with the twist ties, it's kind of harder to do. I did not get that very straight. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just going to, this one is the front, tie it right onto my thing here. So I'm just going to weave it through there and then push this one through here. Okay, thank you for blessing my page. And then twist that on. Make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, and then I'm going to get my tails down here. And then just start fluffing my bow. Did not do a very good job with this bow. Yep. Okay. Let me see how. Whoop. Did I lose you guys? There we go. Okay. So I have that going there. That's the 5 loops. And then here's the 3 loops. Okay. And then we have that center one there. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay. So that's all it is. Isn't that cute? All right. And then we're just going to grab our little hat here. Okay, hold on. Let me text my daughter because she keeps calling me. Hold on real quick. Sorry. Make sure this is not an emergency. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. Make sure nothing major is going on. Okay, so pull that off. Pull that off. Why can't I hear myself all of a sudden? Okay. All right, so that's glued on there good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that hole puncher that I have, and I'm going to punch a hole right here and right here. And this is that metal hole punch that I got from AC Moore or Michaels. Okay. And then I'm just going to run the pipe cleaner through here. Sorry. Okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Just wanted to make sure it was not an emergency. Sorry. Okay. So, no, I got this hat at a local craft store or a local wholesale place. Sorry about that, guys. She just called like 4 times, and I'm like, uh-oh, something must be wrong. So I just wanted to check. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So push them through here. Okay. All right. So yeah, so it looks like that. And then I'm just going to kind of put it on kind of on the side here. And then, like I said, I'm just going to try and push this through. That went through pretty easy. Usually it takes forever to get them through. And then, now watch, this one will give me a hard time. And push this one through. See? Told you. All right, so let's see if I can get it through here. Because these are a lot tighter than the grapevines. So it's really hard to get stuff through it. There we go. Right through there. Okay. All right, got that. Okay, so then just pull that through. Pull that through until it stands up like that. And then I just flip it over and tie them off. I'm just going to kind of weave that together a little bit like that, and then get them a little closer to tie it off. And then just tie that off. And that is it. This is a quick and easy project. Now, of course, the spray painting, does take a little while. Because you got to do a couple coats. You got to make sure everything's covered. But that's it. That's the little snowman. They're so quick and easy to make. Yeah, they are hard to get through, these little ones. But isn't that adorable? The little hat on sideways and the little bow. And that's all there is to it. So, like I said, I just thought I'd pop in real quick and show you guys. This I would sell for $25. Yep, I sell these at the craft show for $25. No, I just use a oh, and then I do put a hanger through here. I just use any spray paint. If you want matte or glossy, you can decide which one you want. And then, like I said, I had some glitter paint downstairs, so I hit it with a little the glitter paint, and that was it. And then I just put a pipe cleaner on it to hang it, and that's your project's done. So that's all for today, and that's it. Have a great day, guys. I will see you guys later. Have a safe and happy Labor Day. Take care. Bye.